He was actually my second boyfriend, pero siya yung una kong pinakilala sa parents ko. So, ayun, parang kumbaga, sabi ko, hinding-hindi muna ako magpapakilala sa magulang ko hanggat hindi pa ako sigurado. So, in terms of our relationship, nakita ko sa kanya, na-feel ko sa kanya na sobrang seryoso siya at yung intention niya sa akin ay good. So, ayun, dun ko naisipan na this will be the person na gusto kong makasama for the rest of my life.
Yes. By the way, what's the nickname of Mr. Sivim? Medyo mahaba kasi yung pangalan nila.
Imin.
Okay. Mr. Imin, how about you? What was your first impression when you first meet Filipinas? Especially when you first came in the Philippines.
Yes, when I first time met her, I really get shocked because she's so much prettier than in the pictures. She was so lovely. She was so shy. When we first time meet, really it's like dreams come true. I feel like that.
Ikaw, Miss Pilipinas, no? Hindi ka ba natakot? Kasi syempre, afam, hindi mo, kumbaga parang first time mong mamimit ang isang tao, makikita mo, lalong-lalo na nung unang sumundo ka sa airport, no? Meron ka bang kasama nung una kayong nagkita at ano yung naramdaman mo nang makita mo siya na, ito pala yung lalaki na nagpapatibok sa puso ko?
Actually, yun yung pinakaunang bagay na kinonsider ko dahil nga, syempre, foreigner, hindi ko pa siya lubos na kilala, yun ang pagkakaalam ng iba. Especially sa magulang ko din, nung sinabi ko sa kanila na uuwi yung afam ko, sabi nila, isama mo si ate mo, isama mo si kuya mo or kung sino man magsama ka. Kasi yung mga parents ko, senior na sila, so medyo mahirap na sa kanila yung bumiyahe. So, nung time na yun, hindi nila ako nasamahan that time. Pero as time goes by, habang papalapit yung araw na susunduin ko na siya, hindi ko na-feel yung takot. Hindi ko na-feel yung doubt na baka ganito or ganyan. Mas na-feel ko yung excitement. So, despite the fact na first time meet namin yun, hindi ako natakot. So, we really, we really trust him talaga. Ganon na kalalim yung trust namin sa kanya to the point na mag-isa ko siyang sinundo. Ako lang yung sumundo sa kanya.
Yes, Mr. Imin, when you first came to the Philippines and you meet the family of Filipinas, what can you say and what's your impression about her family?
It's so sweet family, especially my ates. I love them all. Especially I have few favorite ate. My kuyas there, they're my only friends. We are really good terms, especially mama and papa. They love me. I love them so much. They good take care of me when I am sick. They are feeding me when I am hungry. I'm really appreciate for that.